In this video, I will show you how to add two different numbers provided by user. Now, so let's start programming. Let's make text fields. Let's make two text fields and one button. In this program, we will be taking two numbers from users, and users will be providing numbers into text fields, and there is a button. As the button is clicked, it will add the numbers provided by the user and display within the button. So for this, we have to use this action listener interface. So our class will be implementing action listener. So in order to use this action listener, we have to import another package, that is import java.awt.event. Now let's initialize these objects in constructor. T2. In this case, I will be specifying, let's select the default layout of this container. Now let's add this element. Let's make this T1 to appear at north of our container. Order layout, yes, north. Let's see. Now let's make this T2 appear in center and PTL in south. Just we have to change the value of this north-south position. Now let's make this frame visible while executing. Let's specify size of container 300 by 300, not 3000. Exit on. Close. Now let's add event to this button. We have to use add action listener to add event to button, and we will be passing this. In this case, this delegation model will be used to handle the event. That is, button itself will not do anything. Some other object will handle the event. So now we have to define action perform method. PRFRMD. This action perform method takes action event as argument. Now let's define two integers. T1.getText. This method will help us to get the value written within the text field, and whatever value we take from the user using text field, they all will be in the string format. So we have to convert that string to the integer using parseInt method of integer class. Now let's set this sum of these two numbers, x and y, and set to the button. Now let's write public static void main. Okay, new. Okay, e.java. I do not have these things. Okay, now this everything seems fine. Now let's compile this. ls javac e.java. Okay, fine. Okay, now here is our or the window kind of. Now this is our text field which we have added. You can see in the code. Let's make this code visible. Our first text box is placed in the north, so this is 33, the 33, and this is the second text box that is placed in the center of this container. Now let's make it 67. Our button is in the south. You can see in the line number 13. Now let's click this button and see what will happen. Okay, wow. Now we got the sum of these two numbers. Okay, in this way we can handle the event. We can use this border layout in the container and place the elements. Okay.